Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this soft sweet snacks that is delicious. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so that you don't miss any steps, okay? To begin, start by adding your oil and sugar into a clean bowl. Mix well until the sugar dissolves in the oil. Once you are done mixing, go ahead and sieve in your flour into the dry mixture, that is the oil and the sugar. Please always make sure you sieve your dry ingredients because a lot of things can be inside them but you cannot see it. You can only see them when you sieve them, okay? So if you have not been sieving your flour or any of your dry ingredients, start sieving them today. Once you are done sieving in the flour, go ahead and add your baking powder, your milk flavor, and also your vanilla flavor. Please note that the flavors I'm adding is optional. You can actually make these snacks even without the flavors, okay? The major ingredients in this recipe is just the flour, the sugar, and the oil. Then go ahead and mix everything together to combine well. After that, start adding in your water bit by bit. Continue mixing until you form a dough. Please note that it is always important to add your water bit by bit to avoid too much water in your dough, okay? Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and transfer the dough, and then go ahead and start kneading. Knead until you have a smooth dough. Once you are done kneading, please your dough should be very soft. If it is not soft, you didn't get it well. As you can see on the screen, mine is very soft. So you just have to go ahead, put it inside a bowl, and go ahead to put it inside a fridge to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a fridge, you can actually cover it up and allow it to settle for some time, okay? So after 5 to 10 minutes in the fridge, bring out the dough and transfer it back to the work surface. Using your rolling pin, roll out the dough as seen on the screen, okay? At the point I was rolling this dough, my son was busy singing, "Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the street. Merry, 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 life is but a dream." Let me know in the comment section if you sang this song in your primary or nursery schools, okay? Once I'm done rolling, it is now time to fold. Please watch closely so that you see how I'm folding it up, okay? Please note that you can always add or reduce the quantity of ingredients used in this recipe. I'll be leaving the full recipe in the description box below. Make sure you check it out, okay? This is how your dough should be looking after folding, okay? If it's not looking like this, you are not getting it, period. So use your rolling pin and flatten it again. Please do not be too hard on it when flattening it this time around. Turn the back side and also do the same to the back side. Once you are done rolling the front and the back, it is now time to cut. Remember that you can actually cut into any sizes of your choice, okay? Like I said at the initial, you can actually add or reduce the ingredients used in making this recipe, okay? I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me, and I don't take that for granted. And if you are coming across the channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button because it is free. Give this video a massive thumbs up and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? After cutting, it is now time to fry. Add in oil enough for frying into a frying pan or pot. Allow to heat up and gently throw in the dough inside the hot oil. Please, your oil should not be too hot and it should not be too cold, because if it is too hot, it is only going to cook on the outside and the inside will not be cooked. And if it is too cold, it will automatically soak oil. So you are going to be frying your own on a medium heat, alright? Continue frying until it is golden brown. Once it's golden brown, take it out of the oil and allow to cool down, alright? Repeat the process for the rest of the dough until all the dough are exhausted. In case you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer the questions, alright? After frying, this is what our bread buns looks like. It's screaming beauty, beauty or nothing, 100% minus nothing. Honestly, this tastes so delicious and it is really nice and crunchy. You can actually enjoy this with any drink of your choice. If you have watched this video to this very point, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like this video and go down to the comment section to tell me you've done that. See you guys on my next video. Bye.